high-intensity improvised device was exploded in front of a shop in Ngari Gali of THANGAL BAZAAR, Imphal. No one was injured in the incident. Following the bomb blast, Imphal City Police has taken up additional security measures to avoid any further untoward incident in the area. Some unidentified persons placed a Hawks bomb near the toll tax counter located in the vicinity of Lilong Police Station of Thoubal district early this morning. Reportedly, a bomb disposal squad team had confirmed that the unidentified object was the Hawks bomb. Nagaland has been experiencing unusual cold over the past 2 days. As per media reports, snowfall and rain was witnessed in many parts of the state since the last 2 days. Severe cold is being experienced in the districts of Zunheboto, Phek, Swensang, Kipire, Peran and Kohima, with maximum temperature hovering between 7 to 14 degrees Celsius during daytime and beatingly chilling 3 degrees Celsius during night time. Troops of Guwahati Frontier of the Border Security Force (BSF) nabbed an Indian fake currency note racketeer from the bordering areas of Boreralga and the South Salmara, Mankasa district of Assam. According to media reports, from his possession, the BSF personnel recovered 30,000 fake Indian currency notes. The Income Tax Department said it has exchanged information regarding members of the Mukesh Ambani family over alleged undisclosed foreign income and assets in a quarterly meet this month at Ukraine, with 7 countries India had pact with, media reports said.